Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and then simply go to discord.com, or you could also straight hop into your application of Discord as well. Make sure that you're already logged in into your account, and now once you're already logged in, all you need to do is on the top left or the left section right over here, click on this add a server button, and once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and choose either you want to create your own or start with a template. So if it is a school club and stuff like that, you can choose these template and then modify, or you could just click on create your own and then go ahead and select these options. And then so for example, let's say for me and my friends, I'm gonna name it something like fun hangout, just for the sake of it. Click on create, and as you can see, there's going to be a text channel and voice channels. You can add it depending on your need. As you can see, you can also go ahead and start inviting people, and you can discuss many things in the voice channel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.